Here obviously we are finishing off the ciao Marco!
The 600. That's 600? That's 600?
One second.
700?
This is a 60. Yeah, this is 600. Now, I want to show you. So that's the probe. That's the first probe. That's where the air comes out. So this is the evaporator. You see there is the sealing top is always with the air circulation as well. So we avoid condensation because it's so advanced. You always have the sealing top light, the auto rolling night blind of the freeze line. Then you have the panel, the fans, condenser fan, and the evaporator fan. I want to show you the unit from the back.
Gonna go around the other side?
Yes. Are you able to jump here?
Yeah, I can jump.
Com'è caro? Posto dai. Qua con un po' di clienti. Vi presento, lui è responsabile, he's the man of the multi-deck.
Oh yes, you're the multi-deck.
He's the Vulcano man. So this is the system I'm showing you. What's, no, Rob, try to jump.
You gotta jump.
You gotta jump. No jump, long step.
You can't step on it? You might slip? Oh.
Oh good. Well done. So you see that's the thing. So heated serpentine with the solid sponge to capture the moisture. Here you have all the labeling, the type of compressor, all the labeling for the gas to be used, which can be also explained in here because that's a double. You have always the possibility to add
different gas.
They are interchangeable. Yeah. You have the liquid sievert, so that's an extra. We have also the extra siever to capture the liquids coming back from the evaporator. So you know the gas when it condenses
back to a liquid.
Precisely. So when you enter after the condensing, the gas expands either through the capillary or through the TX valve. So when it expands and it goes to the evaporator, it releases cold. That's what happened. And with the fans, we bring it around and we refrigerate the whole volumes. So when it goes back, on the way back to the compressor, one of the main things that happens, especially with big size of compressor or units like that, and that's just a precaution that we have, and it works also, for blast freeze and other purposes, is to have a molecular siever, a liquid siever, that abstract anything apart. Because at the end of the story, the